What is crackin', folks? I'm Dylan and you're watching H3 Humper. Today I'm going to be attempting to clean my fuel injectors and the top of my intake valves using the CRC intake valve and turbo cleaner. One way to do it is by shooting it through either a vacuum line or right through the throttle body, but I'm going to utilize the fuel line and fuel rail, so the injectors will be spraying nothing but this cleaner at the top of the valves, and not only will the injectors hopefully get clean, the top of the valves will also get clean. There's this pressure check valve here on the fuel line going to the fuel rail. I'm going to remove that Schrader valve and attempt to create a nice series of hoses to be able to connect the spray nozzle to. First off, I'm going to remove the fuse for the fuel pump, so that'll let the engine suck up the fuel pressure that's in that line, and then it'll stall, and that'll tell me that the fuel pressure's gone down quite far in that. Now it's died due to lack of fuel. I've got my gloves and safety glasses on. I'm going to unscrew that little cap. I'm being careful not to touch any metal parts of the engine because it's really hot right now. And with that off, I'm going to go ahead and unscrew the valve core that's in that. There's a bit of fuel pressure in there still. I'm going to get a rag so I can soak up any fuel that comes off of there. Removing the Schrader valve here. And now I'm gonna fix my little apparatus here. So this will go right on top of that nipple. Cinching that line down good and tight so the pressure doesn't blow the hose off. Alright, so I actually had to remove the straw, and I'm just running this vacuum line right over the top of the nipple from the bottle. And hopefully that'll secure it well enough to hold the pressure for what I'm needing. So it's running now, just off of this shit. So I'm going to prop the gas pedal open up to about 2,000 RPM. I'm going to go ahead and reinstall the Schrader valve. Alright, got that put in. Fuel pump fuse in. Now I'm letting it idle for 1 minute before letting it heat soak for 1 hour. Just letting it sit for 1 hour, and then I'm going to go drive it around for at least 10 minutes on the highway. After driving around for about 20 minutes on the highway, I got all that cleaner burned out of the engine. It seems to be running well. I don't notice any major differences, but I'm sure the inside of the engine is enjoying it. Thanks for watching.